I'm about to show you how to start a profitable dollar arbitrage business and make a very good profit for yourself. Hi there, it's Leo here again. I create content on online business and how to make money online and offline. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please smash the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop good video just like this one you are watching. And to you, my returning subscriber, I appreciate you always coming back to my channel each time you get notified of a good video just like this one you're watching. I don't take it for granted. I appreciate and you're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps you are going to take to start a profitable dollar arbitrage business and make a very good profit for yourself. But before we go into this video, I want you to please use 3 seconds of your time to book the like button of this video in appreciation. Booking the like button of this video shows us that you appreciate the kind of content we are creating for you, and it will encourage us to make more content just like this one you are watching. All right, so book the like button of this video, and if you are still yet to subscribe to our channel, go ahead, smash the subscription button of this channel, and once you are done smashing the subscription button of this channel, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime we post good videos just like this one you are watching. Before taking you through the 3 steps you have to take in order to start a profitable dollar arbitrage business, you need to know what dollar arbitrage is and what dollar arbitrage is all about. All right, so without boring with too many English, I just have to simply explain what dollar arbitrage is. All right, so dollar arbitrage simply means buying dollar from a particular platform, sending it over to another platform and selling it for a very good amount. So let's say you bought dollar from platform A for 500 naira per dollar and you send it over to platform B and selling it for 700 naira per dollar. So the difference in price is your profit. So the difference in price is 200 naira and that 200 naira is your profit. So that is dollar arbitrage. So the question now is, how do you start dollar arbitrage? How do you start a profitable dollar arbitrage business? And I'm going to take you through that if you stay tuned. Now, the first step we are going to take is this. We are going to create a dollar account. All right, so we are going to create a dollar account. So we are going to create a dollar account using 𝐑𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐄𝐋. I'm going to leave the link of this 𝐑𝐄𝐋 in the description of this video, but you just have to relax and enjoy this video in order not to miss any single step. So we are going to create a dollar account using 𝐑𝐄𝐋, using my link in the description. So once you are done creating an account, it doesn't take time, like 3 to 4 minutes you are done creating an account with 𝐑𝐄𝐋. 𝐑𝐄𝐋 is going to give you not only dollar account but pounds and euro accounts. All right, so these accounts are what you're going to use in collecting this dollar or buying this dollar from a client. That's the first step you are going to take. The second step you are going to take is knowing where to buy this dollar from, or the platform you are going to buy this dollar from, or the people that are going to sell this dollar to you. All right, and who are these people? They are freelancers. All right, it could be freelancers for Upwork, Fiverr, whatever platform they are making use of. All right, they are going to be freelancers. They are the ones to sell this dollar to you, and most of these freelancers make use of this platform in collecting money from the client, which is Payoneer. All right, most freelancers make use of Payoneer in collecting money from the client. All right, so you are going to look out for these freelancers. So let's say Payoneer sells dollar to them for 500 naira per dollar. All right, so once you get these freelancers, you're going to offer to buy their dollar for 600 naira. All right, so tell me, who wouldn't want to sell dollar to you for 600 naira? The platform they're using is selling it for 500 naira for them, and you are offering to buy it for 600 naira or 650 naira. They would like to sell to you. All right, so that is the second step you are going to take. So the third step is this: where do you find these freelancers? How do I find this freelancer? Or how do I get to these freelancers that are going to sell this dollar for me very cheap? All right, so the first thing you are going to do is you are going to create a flyer and you are going to run an ad using Facebook, telling people that you buy Payoneer funds. That's the first thing you are going to do. All right, if you wouldn't want to run Facebook ad, you can choose to run WhatsApp TV ad. All right, you are going to run WhatsApp TV ad telling people that you buy Payoneer funds. But if you don't have strength or that you don't have money to run this Facebook or WhatsApp TV ad, you can choose to go to this website called Nairaland. Create an account there and make a post telling people that you buy Payoneer funds, and people are going to reach out to you. All right, people are surely going to reach out to you. I'm into the business. I know how profitable it is. On the screen, you are going to see the transactions I've been doing, so you know how profitable this is. All right, so that is the third step. So once they send this money to you using your Gray dollar account, because that's what you're going to send to them. You're going to send your Gray dollar account to this client, these freelancers, all right? So they're going to use your dollar account to send the money to you based on 500 naira, all right? So once you receive this money, Gray is going to buy this money for a very good amount of money. Gray is going to buy it for like 711 naira or 735 naira, all right, based on the current rate. Once you receive this dollar from these freelancers using your Gray account, Gray is going to buy this dollar for like 700 naira or 735 naira, depending on the rate you're running, all right? So, and you know you promised these freelancers you're going to buy their dollar for 600 naira, all right? So you've received this dollar and you are going to sell it to them you're going to buy it from them for 600 naira. And once you receive it in your Gray account, Gray is going to buy it for 700 naira or 735 naira. So your gain or your profit there is going to be 100 naira or 135 naira, all right, per dollar. That's the amount you are going to be making for a particular dollar.
So let's make a quick calculation. Let's say the profit you are going to be making per dollar is 100 naira, or let's say 135 naira. Okay, so you are making 135 naira per dollar, and the dollar they send to you will be like maybe $500, all right? So you are making 135 naira per dollar. So 135 naira into 500. So we are going to be making the gain of 7,500 naira per transaction. Like I said earlier, this is very profitable. I'm into this business and I know how profitable it is, all right? So you too can utilize this opportunity and start making this money for yourself. You can change this $500 for someone and you'll be making a gain of 67,500 naira. All right, so this is just $500. All right, some persons can choose to send up to $1,000 for you to buy, all right, depending. All right, so if you are to change you have to buy $1,000 from someone that sent through Payoneer, you will be making a whooping amount of 135,000 naira as a profit. Guys, this is highly profitable. All right, this is highly profitable. So I recommend you jump into this. Create a Gray account using the link in the description of this video. All right, and if you're considering becoming a freelancer, you can as well use the link in my description to create a Payoneer account. So once you get paid using Payoneer, you can send your fund from Payoneer over to Gray account and withdraw it and make a very good profit for yourself.
So that is how profitable this is, all right? So guys, you just have to jump into this business and utilize this opportunity and make a very good profit for yourself. I wouldn't want this video to take time, so that's why I just want to bring in this update in order for you to know about it and then jump into it and start making a cool cash for yourself. All right, that's all I have for you in today's video. So I know you like this video, so please give me a like for this video. It shows me that you appreciate the content I'm creating and it will enable me to make more content like this one you are watching. All right, and if you are still yet to subscribe to our channel, go ahead, smash the subscription button, all right, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we drop good videos just like this one you're watching. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe and share, and I will appreciate